So welcome back to the day 2 of the workshop. And let's say again, welcome back to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. So how many of you have done the homework? Yes, Shreyas. Yes, Neev, Kiara, Prathna, Snows, Rudra, Kanik, Mahaswani, Shreyan, Ayan. How many of you have done the homework? Have you sent it to me?
Yes, sir.
Have you shared on the WhatsApp?
No, sir.
See, beta, if you will be sharing along with, so I'll be able to check and then get back to you. Okay, Shreyan, homework kiya? Shreyan,
Yes.
where is the homework?
Yes.
Neev,
Yes, sir.
have you done the homework?
No, sir.
Hey,
Sir, I have tennis training after this class. Then I have to. Then I have to come back at 8 o'clock.
okay. And what about Kiara? Ayan, have you done the homework?
No, sir.
Why? Your voice is not audible to me, beta.
Sir, I have just done 9.
Okay, Kiara, what happened? Making faces? Homework?
Sir, I also go to play tennis.
So you come at night?
Yes.
Mahaswani? All are busy, huh? Yes, Mahaswani?
Yes, sir.
You are able to do the homework?
No, sir, I did not do it.
Why so? Any problems?
I'm sorry, sir, but I couldn't get the time.
Okay, Pratna?
I did half, sir.
Great. Any problems you faced?
No, sir.
Okay, then let's move further. And so this was what we were supposed to do. We were supposed to learn fast multiplications that we did with 11. We were supposed to do tables. We have done tables. Yesterday, I also told you one thing that we can. So objective was transformation of fear to confidence. So how many of you have still fear of mathematics? अभी भी डर लग रहा है? Kiara? Still you feel that it is tough? Your tables fear is gone or not?
No, sir.
टेबल्स अभी भी नहीं आए? क्यों बेटा? कल तो कहीं किया था आपने 9 वाला और दूसरे वाला भी.
I'll try again.
That is what, if you would have practiced yesterday, you would have mastered in that tables. Any other who still feel that tables are difficult for them? Yes, Rudra. Yes means you still have a fear?
No, sir.
What is the now? What do you fear of now? Shreyas, tables आए? Mahaswini,
Yes, sir.
आ गए टेबल?
Yes, sir.
प्रिया, sorry, रुद्र हो गया. प्रार्थना, yes, प्रार्थना, tables is clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. So this, okay, we will not, this we have already done. So the question arises, why should we learn Vedic mathematics? Because it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. So did you see yesterday ki speed increased? Yes or no? Did your speed increased or not? What happened? No answer? Today everybody is dull.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I was doing my homework quick.
So the advantage is it helps us to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now, why does this happen? Why our speed gets increased? सोचा कभी आपने? Anybody thought of it?
No, sir.
Do you have any idea about it?
No, sir.
See, our speed gets increased because, okay, how do you write? How do you write? Or how do you read? You write and read from left to right, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But when we solve maths, that is right to left. First unit place, then tens place, then hundred place, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that makes our speed slow because our brain is habitual of working from left to right. And in mathematics, we do the opposite way. We always read left to right. We write also left to right. But the only thing we do right to left is maths. So in Vedic mathematics, we have the flexibility. We have the option of either doing it left to right or right to left. And that is the reason our speed gets increased. Is it understood?
Understood.
Second reason, when we are doing Vedic mathematics calculations, we are doing mentally. So when we are doing mentally, so no paper, no pen is required. And when we are doing something mentally, it is more faster because we are not using any external object. Correct. Third thing, our left brain and right brain both becomes active. So this is another reason why our speed gets increased. Okay. Second advantage, why should we do Vedic mathematics? It reduces your burden. Now, do you have a burden to remember or to cram the tables? No. It is just up till tables of 8. 9 also you can write easily, and above 9 also you can write easily. So has it reduced your burden? How many of you feel that burden has been reduced?
Yes, sir.
Burden has been reduced or not?
Yes. Burden has been reduced.
This is Neem, na?
No, sir. Snow Sansika.
Snow Sensika. Others? Kiara? You
Yes,
can chat.
sir.
You can chat. It is remove. If it is yes, you can write down yes. If you still think the burden is not reduced, so you can write no. I'll just try to explain you again if something is missing. So only 3 feel yes. Others? Manaswini, yes. Rudra, yes. Pratna, yes. Kanak, yes. Neev, yes. Others? Ayan.
Yes, sir.
टेबल्स कम याद करने से कुछ बर्डन कम होगा?
Yes, sir.
So please write down yes. If it is yes, you can write down yes. If you feel burden is reduced, you can write down yes.
Okay, sir.
So now you are able to write any big table also. Yes, Ayan. Today I'll teach you one concept, how to verify your answers. Any problem you arise through in mathematics, anywhere, let it be addition, let it be multiplication, let it be subtraction, let it be division. Whenever you find a problem, you can solve it, you can check your answer, you can verify your answer. Now, if you are doing a paper of mathematics and if you know that your answer is correct 100%, if you are able to verify, then will it be good or not? Yes, Kiara, Rudra. If you know how to check the answers, so before result comes out, you know that your paper is correct, 100% correct. And moreover, it will save time also. So do you want to learn such trick?
Yes, sir.
Okay, moving ahead. So it reduces burden. Then it reduces your scratch work also. Now how scratch work is reduced? Because you don't have to do multiple carryovers. There is no borrow concept in subtraction, and you are doing all the calculations mentally. So when you are doing it mentally, your scratch work is not required. Got it? I'll teach you very easy method of addition today. So finger counting is removed, and it improves concentration. So how many of you are looking for increase in concentration? How many of you want more concentrations? Okay, let's learn addition first, then we'll talk about this. Now see, everybody, this is known as place wise addition, this concept. And this becomes very easy. You can write down on your paper and pen. Please write down place wise addition. Are you able to see the screen, Kiara?
Yes, sir.
Others are also able to see?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's say we have an example 97 plus 68. We'll start with a very small example. So what do we do now? 7 plus 8 is 15. I write down 5 and then I write 1 over here. Correct? This is how we do. This is how we do.
Yes.
Correct. So when I do this way, now, and 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 6 is 16. So my answer is 165. Correct. I do this way. If I have to verify this, I'll again perform the complete calculation. And sometimes what happens, I miss this. Whenever there are big numbers, I generally miss this. Or if it is 3 digits, I miss this. Yes, this happens now. Now, how to do in Vedic mathematics? Very simple. 97 and 68. Now, what I told you, place wise. So, which is this place? Unit. Which is this place? Tens. So, place wise addition means, what is 7 plus 8?
15.
I will write 15 here and I will put a bar sign. This is known as balancing line. Then 9 plus 6 is
16.
15.
again 15. Now, after this, you remember that concept, you cannot have 2 digits in one position. So I just shift this, it becomes 1, 6, 5. Now, what is the difference between these two is, one thing, if you have to verify this, it is easy because 7 plus 8, 15, you have written correct. This also, so separately you can verify. Second thing, there will be no multiple carryovers, which you can forget, because here you could have forgot the carryover, but here it is very clear.
Yes,
Are you getting?
yes, sir.
Okay, we'll give one more example. 39, 46. Okay, let's make 89 so that a bigger number is there. So 9 plus 6 is again 15. 8 plus 4 is 12. After this convert, it becomes 135. Now, what the benefit of this method is, you are not going to make any silly mistake. Is it clear? Anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, solve this then. 79, 89, solve. What happened? So much of time. This was very easy.
Sir, 168.
Good. So what was the, who all has done? Kanak has done. Others? So only Kanak is able to do. So 9 plus 9 is 18. See, these are smaller numbers, so you might think, why should we do this way? But no, I'll teach you once. Anybody has a problem now? Kiara, Shayan, Aryan, Ayan, sorry. Ayan,
Done, sir.
समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
चलो हम एक 3 नंबर्स लेते हैं. 49, 78, 63, So again, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 6 is. So this becomes 190. See, the best part of this example, this method is you will never get confused and carry over. The answers would be very simple. You can easily verify them. Is it clear? Okay, solve this. Please solve this. Yes, others. Tell me, others. Ramkumar.
Sir, 182.
Yes, everyone has done.
Yes, sir.
So 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And I have 7 plus 16 here. So 2. I move this way. And I get 1, 8, 2. Correct? Any doubt on this?
No, sir.
This is clear to all of you? Now see, if it is a 3-digit number, then what happens? So again, 9 plus 8 is 17. This becomes 7 and this is 10. Now this will shift to here. So this will become 1087. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a doubt? Anyone has a doubt? See how easy this addition is, because you will never face any problem while checking it. You will not be confused. You will never be wrong. Yes or no? So is it easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So let us solve 2 more. This method is known as place-wise addition. There is another method known as Shuddha method, which I'll be teaching in the classes. Yes, solve it.
Sir, I'm done.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm Ayan.
Yes, Ayan, you have done it.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is 8 plus 6?
14.
Then
And then it's 15.
and then it is 13.
Yeah.
4, 1 goes here, it becomes 6. 1 goes here, it becomes 14. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has
Yes, sir.
checked it.
Yes, sir.
So everybody has got the same answer.
Yes.
Sir,
Good.
I have a different answer.
Sorry,
I have a different answer.
who is this?
Ayan.
Yes, Ayan, why?
Because first I wrote 13 and then 6 and then
Ayan,
4.
your voice is always low. So come in front of your audio, put it near you. Yesterday also I told you the same thing. थोड़ा पास लाओ अपने ऑडियो को.
So first I wrote 13.
Hmm?
Then I wrote 6 from the 14 one. And then I wrote 4.
Kiara, this is wrong. 1747. See, 8 plus 6 is 14. So last digit would be always 4 only, because this will not move. 1 goes here, so 15 plus 1 is 16. 6 is here. 1 I move ahead, so that is 13 plus 1 is 14. No issues. Practice will make you perfect. 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, 6.
Sir, the answer is 1700.
Hmm?
1773.
Okay, Kiara has same answer. Who has got the same answer? Good. Kanak, same. Neeb, same. Very good, beta. So again, 7 plus 6, 13. 8 plus 8, 16. See, this techniques helps you to check faster. And you don't make any silly mistakes. Is it helpful to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it? See, in the tables also this concept was applicable because we have to have one. In 11 also it was applicable. Same is applicable. So all over Vedic mathematics, you have to see this. Only one number in each balancing line. Only here it is exemption at the right leftmost corner. That is true because it is open from this side. One can think this is at the 1000 place also. Otherwise, you have to have only one numbers in all the left hand side places. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Anyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you repeat this question?
Can you?
Repeat the
Who is this?
doubt. Vedra
Sorry,
Vedra
I'm not getting your better name. What's your name, beta?
Rudra Joshi.
Yes, Rudra. What happened?
I have a doubt. ये मुझे आ नहीं रहा है अच्छे से.
Okay, let's say. So what is 7 plus 6?
13.
See, here we have, what was the name of the concept? It was place-wise addition. So first is unit place. So we'll add unit place separately. Second is tens place. We'll add tens place separately. Third is 100 place. So this is how we do all the spaces, all the places separately. So 7 plus 3 gives me 13. 8 plus 8 gives me 16. And 9 plus 7 gives me 16.
16.
Now, the other condition, I cannot have two numbers at one position. So I move this. So what is left? 3. Now 16 plus 1 gives me 17. So here it becomes 17. Now again, I'll keep 7 here. 1 I'll move here. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Good. Correct. So another last question for this edition, then we'll move to the another topic. Yes, please solve. Yes, Kiara. Answer, Neve. Yes. So this is 16, again 16, again 11, and 8. So this goes here. Answer becomes 6, 7, 2, 9. Correct? So all of you have done it correct. So now, do you think your additions will be right from now? Every question of addition will be right. You'll be able to verify easily. You'll be able to check easily.
Yes, sir.
Still, I'll give you a technique of checking the answers also. Wait for some time. I'll give you the technique for that also. Shreyas is not there. So up till here, everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now let's move for the. So now we'll be coming to a new concept that I told you, that with the help of which you can check your answers. Now, how will you check? That I'll explain you now. So that method is known as, you can write down, first is Bijank. It is known as Bijank. It is known as Navashesh. It is known as digital root. It is known as digit sum. So please write down these names. I'll explain you the concept. And the definition says the sum of digits of a number is called Bijank, Navashesh, digital root, or digit sum. So the definition is, it is the sum of digits of a number. Have you written? Kiara, you have written? Everybody, have you written or not? Who has not written, let me know. Correct. Now, how to find it? Let's say we have a, okay, done. Kya? Good. So let's say, see, for all single numbers, if it is 1 to 9, their digit sum will be the same. Now let's come to 11. So what is digit sum of 11? This would be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. What is digit sum of 23? It is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Is it clear? I'll tell you how to check your answers with this. First, tell me, is it clear? Up till here it is
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay, then tell me this. What is digital root of 63? Or digit sum of 63? What is digit sum of 63? Everyone? Yes, anyone? 6 plus
Sir,
3?
6 plus 3.
Yes, it is 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So you have written 6 plus 3. What is the final answer? It is 9. Now coming to 3-digit number 213. What is the digit sum? It is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. If it is 289, so this becomes 10 plus 9, 19. Further, it will go for 1 plus 9 is equal to 9. Because 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Further, it is only 1. Always remember, digit sum would be between 1 to 9. So what is digit sum of 386? Tell me. What is digit sum of 386? Yes, Neve, Rudra, Kanak, Manaswani, Pratna, Ayan. What happened, everybody?
Sir, 17.
Yes, 17 is correct. Further, you have to see 17 comes. Now 7 plus 1, we have to break it to single digit number. So 7 plus 1 is?
Sir, 8.
So digital sum of 386 is 8. Correct? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take a bigger number. 4, 8, 1, 6, 9. So what is digit sum of this?
Sir, 28.
Then further, I told you, beta, make it to one digit. So it gives me 10, which is further 1. What happened?
So my mic was unmuted.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Doubts, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how will we? Okay, one more example, then we'll see how we will use to check the answers. So what is digit root of this?
Sir, the answer is 3.
Sir, the answer is 3.
Perfect. Everyone? So everyone got 3? See, even we have a technique to find this fast also, but right now you will not be able to understand, so I'll not tell. Now comes to how to verify your answers. Okay, let's take an example. Add these two. So what is the result? What is the sum of addition? So I'll teach you how to utilize digit sum in all the operations, all addition, subtraction, multiplication, everywhere. So what is 6967 plus 7124?
Sir, it's 14091.
14.
091.
Others? Yes, Kiara, Rudra, Kanak. Yes, please. Ayan? Okay, Ayan is not there. Ayan is there. Yes, Ayan, what is the answer? Ayan, have you done it?
No, sir,
Why?
because I didn't understand it.
So who will speak up better? I'm asking from last 20 minutes. You're not answering. So how will we know that you don't understand?
I
It is,
understand it, but a
this
little
is
bit only.
this is only addition. You don't know addition?
Sir, I know.
So what is the answer of this addition? That's all. You can solve using your method,
Okay, sir.
but at least speak something.
Okay, sir.
What is the answer now?
14,091.
Okay. Now see, how will we check? Pratna, this is for that you can talk to me. This is not the part of that 3 into 3 digit multiplication. We are not going to do over here. But if you want to see, that is given in my page.
Okay, sir.
It is Urdhva Sutra. It can be done by Urdhva Sutra also. It can be done by base value method. But in this example particularly, it would be Urdhva Sutra.
Okay, sir.
Workshop had its contents. So we have to be limited to that also. Correct. Now how to find? See, now what is the digital root of this? What is digital root of this or digital sum of this? 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. That means 10. Further, it becomes only 1. Is it clear? Anyone has doubt on this? Yes, Ayan. Now, digit sum you remember or not?
Yes, sir, little bit.
पीछे कौन बोल रहा है आपके बेटा?
Sir, my father's call is going on.
क्या? What is going on?
My father's call office.
अच्छा, आप थोड़ा सा अलग होके बैठ जाओ ना फिर.
Okay, sir.
So, yes, Neev. 6967 का डिजिट सम क्या आएगा? We are just verifying our answers whether we have done it correct or not. So 6967 का digit sum क्या आएगा? Yes, Neev. Anybody? ठीक है. 7124 का क्या आएगा digit sum? 8 plus 6 14. So 14 gives me 5. Now what is the operation? Addition. So 5 plus 1 gives me 6. So इसका मतलब क्वोशंट का डिजिट सम है 6. Now let's check here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 10 is 15. That is also 6. So when digit sum of quotient is equal to answer, that means our sum is correct. So if completely verify, instead of verifying it completely, you can just verify using digit sum. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Yes, Manaswini, Pratna, Ayan, Neev, Kiara, क्या हुआ? If something is not understand, you're not able to understand something, you can ask me.
So can you explain this once again?
Who's this?
Sir, I am Manaswini.
Okay, see, let's take a smaller example. 67 plus 27, correct? Now this is addition we have to do. I'm just giving an example. So what I get 4, I get 9, correct? Now how to verify this? Digit sum is a technique with the help of which you can verify any answer. Now how? 6 plus 7 gives me 13. So that means digit sum is 4 of this part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And digit sum of this is 9. 2 plus 7.
Yes, sir.
So what is 4? Now it was, the purpose is addition. So what is 9 plus 4? 13. That gives me further 4. So that means final digit sum of quotient is 4. Now let's come to the answer. 9 plus 4 is again 13. So that means it is 4. So when the digit sum of quotient is equal to digit sum of answer, that means this sum has been done correctly. Now this is a very small question, 2 digit, but in 4 digit number you will be finding it different, easy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any point pending? Kiara, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Pratna?
Yes, sir.
Now any big question comes of addition, you can check using this digit sum. Another, let's come to subtraction. 786, 234. Now we have subtraction. So what is 786 minus 234? Please check it. Please tell me.
Sir, the answer is 552.
Okay. Now, what is the digit sum? Now see, digital root over here is 7 plus 8 plus 6. What is this? Yes, 21, and further it is 3. And what is here? 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that gives me 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is 3 minus 9? It is minus 6. Now you have to remember, whenever digit sum is 0 or negative, whenever we have digit sum 0 or negative, we add 9 to it. So minus 6 plus 9 will give me 3. This is the only condition we have in digit sums. Whenever we get negative result or 0, we will add 9 to it. Correct? Now, so the question is, here the digit sum comes is 3. Now here 10 plus 2 is 12. Just so long. So 10 plus 2 is 12, and the digit sum is again 3. So that means my answer is correct. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No.
Anyone has a doubt? Okay. So always remember, digit sum will be between 1 to 9 only. Whenever we get negative or 0, add 9 to this. Is it okay?
Yes.
Third type. Let's take an example of now multiplication. Now yesterday we did multiplication of 2 digit, 3 digit. So let's say 1, 2, 3 into 11. So what is the result? Okay, let's take only 2 digit first. 97 into 11. Okay. So it is 1067. Perfect. Now let's see the digit with the help of digit number. Is it correct or not? So what is digit sum here? 9 plus 7 is 16. That gives me 7. Multiplied by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it should be 14. 14 means 5. Perfect. Now what is the digit sum of this? Answer. 7 plus 7 is 14. Again 5. So digit sum of quotient is equal to answer. So that means you can check with the help of this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
So once now in examination paper, if you have done such, if you know that your question is correct, so how much confident you will be? And this happens, you remember, whenever you're going for a paper examination, your teacher says attempt those questions in which you are 100% perfect. The meaning is first you should do all the things which you know by heart, and if you are able to check whether your questions are correct, then your confidence level will automatically increase. One more application where it is used. Do you know what is MCQs?
Yes, sir.
What?
Multiple choice questions.
Multiple choice questions. Now whenever you are going for any entrance test or your NTSC Olympiads, so how many of you have given Olympiads on NTSC? Yes. Okay, let me show you this. Is this you are able to see the screen now?
Yes.
Bijank is the sum of digits of a number. You are able to see?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, so we did addition and we checked it. We have done and two addition. Okay, subtraction also we have checked it. Multiplication we have done it. Now let's come to MCQs. For example, when you are given a question, what is 352 into 867? Now what happens? One way is you check all these questions. You try to solve it, but that takes time. And now you have been given 4 options. So what is the best answer? How will you find? Yes, Pratna, how will you find the best answer? Manaswani, how will you find the best answer?
Sir, maybe estimating the answer.
No. We will find the digital root. That is very simple. Now 352 digit sum is 1. 867 digit sum is 3. So that means digit sum of a question is 3. And similarly, we can find out the digit sum of the answers. Whichever has the same digit sum, will be the correct answer. Got it? It saves your time because beta, in entrance exam, you have to solve one question in 1 minute. And the 3-digit multiplication cannot be done in 1 minute. So the best idea is to find the digit sum. Is it clear to you or you need this explanation? See, now what is digit sum of this? 302. That means yes, Pratna, what is digit sum of this? 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 15. So 15 means 6. So this cannot be answered. Why? Because digit sum of a question is only 3. Let's check second. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20, 21. Digit sum is 3. So this can be an answer. One answer. Let's check other also. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 22. Cannot be answer. 3 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 9, 9 plus 10, 19 plus 4, 23. Give me 5. Cannot be answer. So what is the answer? The second one. So how easily you are able to find it? Is it clear to everybody or not?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has a doubt on this?
No.
Kiara, Rudra, Pratna,
No,
Ayan?
sir. No doubt.
Anyone has a doubt now? So is this method clear to check or to verify your answers? How did you find this method? See, in MCQs, it is very easy you become, because you don't have to find the calculations. It is only simple single digit numbers adding. So that is why I tell you, if you know single digit addition, then you will never fail in Vedic mathematics. You are able to do this. And tables up till 9. Any doubt? Anyone has any doubt now? Yes, Ayan.
No, sir.
This concept is clear. See, if you'll be checking your answers and you feel that yes, it is correct, it will give you positivity now. You'll feel more confident. You'll be more happy that I have done it correct. Otherwise, we keep asking teachers whether it is correct or not. But if we know on our own, yes, we have done it right. So how confident we'll become? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
All are tired today. You're tired? Okay. So let's come further. Just hold on, clear. So now let's move to the next topic. So you want to learn more fast multiplication? You want to learn more fast multiplication?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'll give you one method. Take out your paper and a pen. So we'll see. Now see this number. What is common in all these numbers? Do you find anything common?
No.
See for these numbers, anything you find special in this?
So the tens place is same.
Okay.
And
Other?
by adding ones place, we get 10.
Who is this?
Sir, I'm Manaswini.
Okay. Anyone else? Ayan?
Sir, one place.
Sorry?
Sir, one place.
See all these numbers. All these numbers, unit place is same. And in tens place, their sum is 10. Correct?
Yes.
So whenever such question comes, you don't have to multiply completely. How do you do? 7 into 3 is 21. Separate only. And 5 is to be multiplied by 1 more. So what is 1 more than 5?
6.
So 5 into 6 gives 30. Four into 6 is 24 directly. And 4 into 5 gives 20. 7 into 8 gives me 56 and 16. So this becomes verbal calculations, mental calculations. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you one question. 55. What is the answer? Fast.
Sir, 1,000 times.
Sorry.
1,000 times.
30, 20.
30, 25. 5 into 5 is this side, 5 into 5 is 25, and here we multiply 5 with 1 more. So that becomes 30. 64 into 66. See how fast your multiplication can become. If you remember certain concepts of Vedic mathematics, this is known as Antraya Doshke multiplication.
Sir,
Yes.
so The answer is 4,000 to 4,224.
Yes, 42224. Another example, 81. Okay, 87, 83.
$7,221.
So 8 into 9 gives me 72, and here I get 21. 91 into 99.
The answer is 8 to 1.
Sorry?
8 to 1 answer.
No. See, here you have to be careful. 9 into 1 is 9, but it is to be written as 09 because 2 digits have to be given. And 9 tens are 90. So 9009.
So 9,009.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
36 into 34.
Sir, 1, 2, 2.
Very good. So got it? So now see, you are doing faster than the calculator. Correct? So this is what is
Yes.
magic of Vedic mathematics. So your speed gets increased. Okay. So that will come to the end of the session. And I'll just discuss a few more points and then. So you have to practice daily, and questions you can take it from my page regularly. You remember, I am Dr. Yogesh Chandna is my name, and I am an author of books. Now, for you, we have a program of 4 months so that you have thorough, complete knowledge of Vedic mathematics. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 hour each. So we'll be teaching addition, subtraction, tables, fast multiplication, division, squares, cubes, fraction, LCM, doubling, half, magic squares, calendars, square root, cube root, divisibility, and all the problems you will be facing in your curriculum. That also will be discussing. This is a very nominal fees, 1,000 per month. So all those who are interested can let me know by the evening. Correct? You can, and feel free to get in touch with me. My number, all of you have. Anybody has any questions now? Yes, any questions? Yes, Ayan, Rudra, Prathna. Anyone has any questions? So I'll be sharing you the homework again. Video also will be sharing. So you can just have a look on that. You can go through the video, you can cross, and on my page there are several questions solved. You can check and you can practice daily if you're not coming for the classes. But if you are coming for the classes, we will study a lot and will be excelling in mathematics. Do you find this 2 days you gained some knowledge of mathematics? How many of you feel? Ayan? कुछ फर्क पड़ा? Did you think some speed increased or something you gained?
Yes, sir.
What exactly? कहाँ पे benefit लगा आपको?
In multiplication.
Very good. Yes, Rudra. Tables are very important, beta. Tables, if you get it, then half of the maths is done.
Yes, sir.
Manasni,
Yes, sir.
what was the best topic you liked?
Sir, multiplication. Like I can write any table right now.
Yes, and this fast multiplication, this is no basically one of the sutra,
Yes.
Anura Prerna Sutra, with the help of which we are doing this multiplication. That is also very excellent. But definitely, if you are, we cannot do everything in 2 days, and try for that, practice for the digit sum, because that is very helpful. Yes, Rudra.
Okay.
So my favorite chapter is fraction.
Sorry, come again.
My favorite chapter is fraction.
I am not getting better, please.
So my favorite chapter is fraction.
Beta, your voice is breaking, beta. Can you write it down then?
Okay, sir.
Anyone else? Any questions now? So keep practicing. All the best for your future. Okay, my favorite chapter is fraction. Fraction is very easy in Vedic mathematics. It's just matter of seconds. And addition also, we have one other trick in which you'll become more faster. Correct? Do practice these tricks. It would be very helpful to you, and keep practicing and take care. So goodbye, everyone. If you have any questions,
Bye, sir.
you can leave on my WhatsApp. You can ask your parents to talk to me. Correct?
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Bye,
bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.